1993 Ford F700 rollback with 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel engine. 5 SPD trans with 2 SPD rear end. 22 feet tilt deck and tow bar hitch, new radiator, new sound system. New tires all the way around, new tie rod ends, recently serviced. This is a hauling beast and will handle pretty much whatever you throw at it. Condition, good. Cylinders, 6. Drive, radiator wheel. Fuel, diesel. Odometer, 32,237. Size, full. Paint color, white. Title status, clean. Price on sale, $10,500. Call the owner Jeff, 406-212-2601, to buy the truck. Shop location, 1075 Rose Crossing, Kalispell, Montana.